Assurance, or QA, is a critical aspect of IT software development. It ensures that software meets specified requirements and is free from defects. Unlike quality control, which identifies issues in the final product, QA is a proactive approach focused on preventing problems throughout the entire development lifecycle. There are several key components essential for effective QA in software development. First, clear quality standards and objectives must be established for each project. Next, detailed procedures and best practices should be developed to meet these standards. It is crucial to ensure all team members are well trained in QA processes and tools.
Finally, regular reviews and improvements of QA processes based on feedback and performance data are necessary for continuous improvement.
The field of quality assurance is constantly evolving, with several modern trends shaping its future. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are enhancing test automation and predictive analytics. Shift-left testing integrates testing early in the development process to catch issues sooner. Test automation is being scaled up for improved efficiency and coverage. DevOps integration combines QA with operations for seamless integration into the development pipeline. AI-driven QA utilizes intelligent algorithms to predict test cases and analyze data for potential defects. Shift-left testing incorporates QA activities early in the software development lifecycle. Test automation helps scale testing processes effectively. DevOps integration emphasizes collaboration between development, testing, and operations teams, ensuring continuous quality throughout the pipeline. Implementing a QA program in software development involves several critical steps. First, define what quality means for your specific software product. Next, develop methods and assign roles for QA activities. It is crucial to ensure everyone on the team understands their QA responsibilities. Collect and analyze performance data to evaluate success. Finally, regularly review and refine processes based on feedback. This implementation process should be iterative. Start by defining quality standards, develop detailed procedures, ensure clear communication across your team, collect and analyze data, and continuously improve based on feedback. This approach helps maintain high standards and allows for adaptation to new challenges in the ever-changing landscape of software development. Quality assurance is an indispensable part of IT software development. By implementing robust QA processes and staying abreast of modern trends, development teams can ensure their software meets the highest standards of quality and reliability.